Withdrawing money from Instagram to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your Instagram account. Log into your Instagram account using the app or website. Make sure you are using the account that has the funds you want to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Go to your profile and tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. This section will allow you to manage your payment methods and view your earnings. Step 4. Link your bank account. If you haven't already, link your bank account by selecting Add Payment Method. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details accurately. Step 5. Withdraw funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always check your bank statement to confirm the transfer has been processed successfully.